Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Archives. Today we're going to look at example number 6. So this example basically asks us to find the components of the 450-pound force. And it gives us a set of axes that are not perpendicular to each other. As you can see in the diagram, the angle between the two axes is 30 degrees instead of 90 degrees. So here I have drawn these axes at the way they would look like. We've done a question like this before in which the axes are not perpendicular, and the way to solve this question is by drawing the vector diagram. So let's get started with that. The first vector and the most easiest vector for this triangle that we can draw is the 450-pound force vector, since it's directly downwards, like this. Alright, so the next vector that we can draw is the AB vector. So what if the AB vector was something like this in the AB direction, while the last vector we know has to be in the AC direction. This is AB, this is AC. So this makes a complete triangle. And be careful that you need to follow the head to tail rule, which basically means that the resultant vector should start from the tail of the first vector and should end at the tip of the second vector, just like here in this triangle. Finally, we need to put in the angles if we want to find the magnitude of these components. So this angle is given to us in the question, which is 30 degrees. This angle is also given in the question, which is 45 degrees. We can find this angle by subtracting 30 and 45 from 180, and the answer that we get is 105 degrees. Now finally, to find the magnitude of these components, all we have to do is simply apply the sine rule. If you don't know what the sine rule is, you can Google it up. So according to the sine rule, AB over sine of 105 degrees should be equal to 450 over sine of 30 degrees. And the answer that we get for AB is 869.3 pounds. 869.3 pounds. Applying the sine rule for the other component, AC over sine of 45 is equal to 450 over sine of 30 degrees. The thing that we get for AC is 636.4 pounds. So this is the simple and easy procedure for this question. Draw the vector diagram for axes that are not perpendicular. Do a bit of practice and you will be okay.